Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you this air compressor from Joytutus. If you remember, I've done some of their floor mats before. Great stuff for a great price. I've used this for a little bit, works really good. It's nice and compact. Here's some of the key features of it right here, I'll show you. The best part about this is it can be used wireless too. So you can charge it and then use it without any cords, which is the best part. It goes up to 100 PSI, so plenty for what you're gonna need it for more than likely. I'm always trying to air these up and they want to invest in a huge air compressor just for that. Well, this thing will do that and also blow up some inflatables, anything you guys need, bike tires. Really nice. Let me show you what you get inside the package too. Okay, so here's a unit. You can see it's not big. Has nice rubber feet too, which I like. It's not gonna scratch your car if you put it on your car. It's not gonna tip over that easily. There's everything up inside of it. It has the charging or the plug so you can go to your outlet inside your car, and also the hose. And then you also get all these attachments here. So you can do like a ball right there. You can do inflatables, you know, whatever you need. And they also give you an extra fuse, which is nice, just so you won't be stranded. And here's a charging cable. You just plug it in the back and then plug it in a USB or a power block and charge it up. Then you can use it, bring it on the beach if you want, and air something up there. You don't need to be where there's power. So that's always a nice thing. So the switch right here to the right is running off its own battery. And if you flip it to the left, it runs off the power source. So what I like about this is you can set it with the PSI you want and push start, and it shuts off when it gets there. And it even has a little battery indicator. You can see it's pretty much dead because I'm playing around with it. So I would need to charge it up, but just to give you an idea. So you just set it where you want, and then you push the start button up top, and it'll shut off when it gets to that PSI. So that's a great thing. So let me go ahead and show you. And this is a pretty crummy gauge here, but it'll give you an idea. So it's saying it's running about 32. It's a little bit less than that, so like 31 something. Okay? So then we'll hook this thing up here. Okay, so here's everything out of the bottom. There's a really long power cord too. I think it's 9 feet, maybe even more than that. Okay, so we hook this up. Now, if you wanted to do this off its own power, like I said, this thing is pretty dead, but I'll try here. Okay, we're gonna switch this to the right. Okay, that's using its own power. So now it says, see where it said 31.5? That's what my tower has in it. It knows right when you hook it up. So it has 31.5, and then if I wanted to go, say 33 with it, okay? So then you just gonna push the start button on it. Okay, now it's gonna go, but see, it didn't even have enough to do that because it was pretty much dead. So let me hook up just the power to it. Just plug it in here. I'll turn the light on here so you can see it. It just plugs in. It has even a red light on it, shows that there's power, which is a nice feature. Okay. So same thing, but now you're gonna have to hit that toggle to the left side since you're running off the car power. Like I said, if you wanted to do this, you just plug it in. I'm probably gonna plug this in tonight, get it charged. Plug it in right there. Okay? But for now, remember the toggle has to be on the left. I've left it in the right position. So you just toggle it to the left right here. That second bar, that's for your the power supply. Okay, so just make sure that's in the left position. Okay, so right is wire. If it's already you're using the battery backup, the left is power supply. Okay, so see it's showing 31.5 pounds inside this tire. So that's what I like about it. So when I push start, and I had it set for 33, now it's gonna run, so it'll be 33 and a half when it shuts off. It goes a half over. And that's good, so when you take it off, you lose a little bit, and then as you're testing it, you wanna check it. So just know that. If you want 33, you need to go 32 and a half. Okay, it should shut off shortly. Okay, now it shuts off. Okay, you see right there, 33 and a half pounds. That's all there is to it. There's no guessing. You don't have to keep taking it off and checking to see how close you get to that. It's a really nice feature. So you just set them all 35 if you want, whatever you guys want to run in them, and you're good to go. So I would highly recommend getting one of these. Like I said, for under $40, you can't beat it. And it doesn't take up a lot of room. So if you store it in your garage or in your car, it's not going to take up much space. And here's a few of the key points on it here. I'll show you. So like I said, it works really good. $38.99, I believe it is on Amazon. Definitely check them out. Pick yourself up one. Like I said, not only does it do tires, but it'll do all of the inflatables you guys want. So definitely check it out, guys. And also I forgot to show you, comes with this nice carrying bag too, right here. Nice way, just throw it all inside. Like I said, put it in your trunk, in your cargo net, whatever. Really easy. So remember these two toggles, how to use it. Really good. Just plug it in, get that thing charged up, and you'll be ready to go. So like I said, it's great. It'll do all the tires, no problem. It'll blow up, you know, stuff like this. Little bouncy balls, rafts, anything for the summer. It's great. Don't need to be tied down to power. Check the description, guys. Pick yourself up one. Under 40 bucks, you really can't beat it. You can't. Something that does all that kind of stuff. And the best part is, if you check it out, it's not a huge thing either. So it's not going to take up a lot of room. So I appreciate it, everybody. I do. Check them out. Get yourself one. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.